I'm dyeing my hair again. Excuse it, it's a little bit greasy, but I'm sorry, that dye did not stick. Like, that is, I don't even want to talk about it. I've been using colour depositing conditioner on my root area. Don't come for me for using conditioner on my roots, I don't want to hear it, because honestly I didn't have time to re-dye my hair this week. It's currently Saturday, so I'm doing it, I'm speed running it. I didn't have time this week, I was working, it's coming up to Christmas, I work in retail, you get the picture. So all I could do was just sort of like try to cover my root area, but like, I don't know if you can see the banding. Like, look, I don't know if it's my fault, I don't know if it's the dye's fault, I have no idea, but it just didn't stick to my roots. Maybe if I'd done another layer of that dye, it would have worked. I don't have any more of that dye, and I don't really want to repurchase it, if I'm being completely honest with you, because if it doesn't work again, it's a waste of my money. So anyway, today I'm going to be re-dyeing my hair. I'm going to dye a really dark blue because I'm sick of worrying about my roots, and I'm assuming it will cover the purple. If it doesn't, I don't really care that much. Like, I'm kind of feeling the kind of ombre vibe, I don't really mind it. It's kind of what happened with this, but I won't lie to you, like, it did not stay on my ends. So at the moment the ends are like purple with a hint of blue, but they're really faded, so it's not looking cute. And I also have a massive patch at the back of my head. I'm going to insert a video right now of where either I missed it to begin with and then there's like a patch of blonde at the back of my head. I don't know how that happened, okay, I don't know, I really don't know, and it's stressing me out to know that I was walking around for several weeks with a patch of blonde at the back of my head, which I'm hoping no one saw. But anyway, and it got progressively worse, as you can see, considering obviously I was washing my hair. So I think this is probably wash 4 or 5, something along those lines. Might just be 4, I think it's only 4. So yeah, it did not stick. It didn't even want to stay stuck, and I feel very, very self-conscious about the back of my head, to be honest. And I don't want to walk around at work thinking that someone can see a big patch of blonde at the back of my head and thinking that I did it on purpose. Or, oh god, that's so unfortunate, she doesn't know that's there. I do know it's there, and I don't want you looking at it. So I'm going to fix my hair. So yeah, I need to get on with it. I'm going to be using Lunar Tides, my tried and true. I love Lunar Tides. Okay, I'm going to show you that I'm using. So I have a couple to choose from. I do have Blue Velvet, which is probably around this shade, I would assume. I'm not entirely sure. But I also have Magic Shadow, which is going to be super dark, and it's kind of calling my name. I am a bit scared though, because like it's kind of like a really, it's like a black blue almost. Oh, but it's sick though. Oh my god, I forgot it was glittery. I don't know if you can see that. Like, look at that. How sick is that? Okay, you know what? I think I'm sold. I think I'm going to do this one. I'm just going to open this one and see. I mean, that's not that far off, to be fair. This one's definitely darker. I think Blue Velvet also has a purple tone to it, if I'm being honest. Yeah. It's between, it's the next shade on from Dark Violet, so I reckon it'd be like kind of a blue purple. I don't know whether to use both. I'm really not sure. Decision paralysis. Okay, I think I'm going to use Magic Shadow because from what I can tell, Blue Velvet is pretty much the same as this, and I'm feeling a darker colour, I think, for this season. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into my bowl, and then I'm going to put some conditioner in it just to thin it out, because I find that Lunar Tides, it will cover my hair, it's just very, very thick, so I just need to thin it out just a touch. I also have Magic Salem and Magic Oracle. Magic Oracle is dark green. I don't know if I'll do that at some stage because I'm a bit scared to do it, because what if I can't go back? I don't know. Anyway, and Magic Salem is like a dark purple, so I might just go from Magic Shadow to Magic Salem. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but this is going to be like a Caitlyn Kiramman blue. I don't give a shit if you think that's cringy to dye your hair like a character. Literally leave me alone. I wanted to do my hair dark blue anyway, but and now people are going to be like, you're copying her. I don't care. Anyway, I'm going to get on with it because I have things to do today. I can't get over how cool that looks. I forgot that it was glittery. That's so cool. I hope I don't end up with glitter all over me. Anyway, I'm going to get on with it. I need to like change out of this and sort my life out. My hair dye shirt is on. I'm going to be using this just to dilute the dye a little bit. Also, if you want to use my discount code, I'll put it on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description if you want to get your hands on some Lunar Tides hair dye. If you're from the UK or in like the Europe area, if you want to get some Lunar Tides hair dye, they also sell it on Beauty Bay and a site called Attitude Clothing, because obviously it's quite expensive to ship it from the US. So just as a pro tip, but obviously you can't use my discount on those websites, it's just specific to Lunar Tides. I also have a discount code for Arctic Fox. I am aware, obviously, I had a bit of a bad experience with it, but it might have been me, it might have just been that specific dye, I don't know. So anyway, yeah, I also have a discount code for Arctic Fox, just if you're, you know, if your favourite hair dye is Arctic Fox, and there's a little discount code for you just in case you wanted to use it. Again, that is specifically for their website, not for any other websites that carry their hair dye. That is so cool. Like, that looks like the night sky. How sick is that? Okay, I'm just gonna dig it out. I'm gonna have to use this tiny little brush. Just gonna dig it out. It smells so good, by the way. So did Arctic Fox, actually, because obviously I've only used it once. It genuinely, it smell of the Aussie products. I said that in my last video, but just in case you haven't seen it, I'll put a little card here if you want to go and watch that. Because I bleach my roots in as well, so just if you want to see that whole process. If not, that's fine. You're welcome to just stay here and chill with me as I try and dig out every ounce of hair dye. I don't want to waste any of it, so I'm just trying to scrape it out. By the way, these are 4-ounce tubs, but they do sell bigger tubs just in case you wanted to buy one. I think they're just a bit better value for money, but these are just the dyes that they very, very kindly sent me, and I'm so grateful because this is so cool. I get to use these. And also, I only work part-time, if you didn't know, because I have chronic migraines. I'm trying to get like them under control, and I am trying to find a full-time job. It's just very hard at the moment for whatever reason. I don't know why. I got turned down by a job the other day because I didn't get a high enough grade in my GCSE maths, even though I have A-levels and a degree. Don't even know at this point. So that's kind of that's where I'm at right now. My hair's just a weird texture, so it's not like hugely absorbent. I don't know how to explain it. Like, even my hairdresser doesn't really understand my hair. Basically, it just, like, the second it gets wet, it like becomes incredibly difficult to work with for some reason. I don't know why. Again, it's obviously just the texture of my hair, but I don't really know what that means. That's a lot of dye, but like, that looks so cool. Look at that. So sparkly and glittery. God, that looks sick. Okay, need to get a move on now. Doing this on an empty stomach was a mistake. I'm currently realizing. I'm ready to diet. Took me over an hour like it normally does, and I'm so over this already. I am going to, yeah, remember like when I said that doing this on an empty stomach was a bad choice? Now I'm severely regretting doing this on an empty stomach because I am absolutely starving. Anyway, I'm gonna let this sit for, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. Oh my god. Okay. It's 20 to 4. I'm absolutely covered in hair dye. So I'm gonna use some micellar water to get it off. If you're finding that micellar water doesn't work, an oil-based eye makeup remover will also work. I have also used nail varnish remover to get it off of surfaces. I would not recommend using that on your skin, but like, I don't know, if you need to, then I guess you can, but just oil-based makeup remover will work. I'm gonna do that, let it sit for like as long as I can. I have somewhere to be at around 7, so I need to be done by then. I don't even know anymore. I'm just gonna, you know, I'm gonna wipe this off. I don't have high hopes of this actually coming off, I won't lie to you, because it is blue after all. I use an exfoliating mitt in the shower, like a glove, to get like the excess off like the rest of my body when I'm in the shower or when I'm washing it off. Okay, again, I'm gonna leave this in for more than an hour, probably close to 2 if I can get away with it, and then I will wash it out and I'll check back in with you. Please excuse the towel around my neck. I just didn't want to get dye on any of my clothes, even though all my clothes are black. So I don't think it really would have made any difference. Anyway, excuse the fan, I apologise. I'm going to wash my hair out. I've left it in for about an hour and a bit, hour and a half, roughly. I have somewhere to be, so I do need to wash it out, but I think it'll be fine. I'm just gonna wash it out, try and scrub my scalp of, you know, dye residue. I don't know if you can see the sparkles at all. Oh, you can. I just feel like this needs to be shown, the sparkles. Can you see them? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna shower and then I will see you afterwards. Okay, I'm out of the shower. I'm kind of in a hurry. I need to be somewhere I need to leave in about an hour's time. And I need to do my hair and my makeup. By the way, if you are ever struggling with getting hair dye off your scalp in the shower, I'd highly recommend one of these. It's basically just a scalp massager, but obviously it kind of scrubs most of it off. There's still a little bit, but it's blue, so I'm kind of not surprised. If I'm being honest, I actually am quite impressed with how much it got off my scalp, because normally it's really hard to get dyes off. There's still some glitter in my hair, which is kind of annoying, but whatever, it's fine. I'm also going to put oil on my ends like I normally do, this one, and then I'll blow dry it. There is definitely still glitter in my hair, so just if you happen to use this hair dye, just bear that in mind. I kind of thought it would wash out, but maybe I just didn't wash my hair well enough. I don't know. It honestly just looks black in this light, which is a bit terrifying, but it's fine. It'll fade a bit lighter. I'm not worried. I'm an idiot and I completely forgot to film an outro. I have video clips of my hair and I'm going to show you them now, so please just forgive me for that. I want to just apologise for how long it took me to get this video up. I have been busy working and now I'm ill, so not been going good for me basically. So I hope you enjoy these little clips of my hair. I genuinely love the way this colour came out. It's super dark. The only thing is obviously since it's a blue, it has stained like everything. And I think I'm 4 washes in now and it's still staining my neck. So that's fun, but at least I know it worked. I don't know. I just think the colour payoff was really, really nice and I really, really like it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next one.